we wanted to make the HUG Hydronics system easy to customize for most any hydronic design. That's why we implemented jumpers. But what is a jumper? Well, a jumper is a conductor used to connect two or more points in an electrical circuit. They come in many different forms, but for our use in the HUG Hydronics system, they're a little black pin. When used, that little black piece connects the circuit like an on switch. Jumpers are used on each piece of the control board to allow you to easily choose options by which pins you put the jumper on. The control board comes with jumpers already in their most standard configurations, and there are extras in the accessory bag. But why did we use jumpers? Well, if you look at our tank, it's important to note that they're waterproof and they're easy to clean. But mainly, we wanted to give the end user the ability to customize their HUG Hydronics system easily. You can see why we're simpler at HUG Hydronics.